in political science for class 11. Today the chapter that we have taken today is equality. In the previous lecture we had taken the chapter freedom or liberty, and this is equality. Children, please remember that liberty, equality and justice, these three ideas are very important for an individual to develop his personality as a citizen and as a member of society of any country. So no real development is possible when these three ideas, which one? Liberty, equality and justice. Justice we will do in the next chapter. We will go through that in the next chapter. This is equality. So this is the second aspect, you can say, or second thing which is important for an individual in a real sense to be happy and prosperous. So here meaning, otherwise simple meaning is same, equality is same, but here it is treated in a different manner. So like liberty, equality is also a prominent political ideal of the present world, and you must have noticed many revolutions took place from time to time in different parts of the world, and the main thing was to get freedom from various restrictions so that they can also enjoy their life, live like others. So like others is related to equality, and to be allowed to do so is freedom, right? So there is very minute difference between these things. So for example, the French Revolution, which took place in 1789 was fought, that was fought for liberty, equality and fraternity. And these two things or ideas prescribe conditions for human development. Okay, so these ideas are related to those conditions that are necessary for the development of the personality of human beings, and they signify the voice of oppressed, voice against injustice, and this the voice for changing unfair social conditions. And this idea is not a new one, and this was existing in ancient time also. Like Aristotle described inequality as a major cause of rebellion in many states. Why people fight? Because they are lacking something. They want to have those things which they do not have but others have. So that is inequality. Okay? When inequality is there or equality is not there, then revolts take place by people, oppressed ones, exploited ones, weaker ones, when they get united and they raise their voice against the authority. So the ancient concept of equality insisted on recognition and preservation of existing inequalities in society between the rich and the poor. And the modern notion of equality, however, seeks the correction of the prevailing inequalities insofar as they can be proved to be unjust according to the prevailing social consciousness. So earlier this was mainly between rich and poor, and now there are so many other spheres also where inequalities are prevailing or inequality is prevailing, and to improve those conditions. So now freedom can be enjoyed only if equality is there. Equal freedom is there for all. And equality is an important socio-economic and political idea. And for this, many philosophers believe that God has created all men equal, with no discrimination on the basis of color, caste, gender, etc. And many revolutions in the world were for this notion. What is that? Equality or freedom. Like I had just told you, French Revolution, then American Revolution, then revolutions in Asia, in our own country, Africa. So all were struggling for gaining equality. Now we come to the modern meaning of equality. Modern meaning says that you also know, as absolute freedom is not good. है ना? Complete freedom without any restriction is not good. In the same way, absolute equality is also not good. Why? We know that God has created men equal, but we know this also, that all men are not same in the way of the level of intelligence, ability, skill, knowledge, etc. So they differ from each other. So they say, men are also not born equal. They have differences in physical and mental attributes or abilities. So literal equality is utopian. Literal equality means to treat all equally is not possible. It is utopian. Utopian means imaginary, which we can think, which we wish to have, which we want to have, which we dream to have, but it is not possible. Why? Because really, if you see, all the fingers of our hand are not same. All the people, all the family members are also not same in all the ways. They are different from each other. So how can we treat each other? How can we treat all the people in the same equal manner? So that is literal. In a literal way, equality is a utopian idea. So it is the creation of a society where there are no special privilege given and equal opportunities are given to all to develop themselves. What is this? In actual sense, this is related to the creation of such society when there are no special privilege, special facilities, more than others are given to anyone. But what is there? Equal opportunities are given to all. Then whoever is capable to avail those opportunities and prove himself will avail those opportunities and those conditions. Like we also have, we teach in the class, all the children are taught in the same classroom by same teacher, but why all of them do not score good marks, same marks? Some score high marks, some do not. Okay, this is all because they are having the opportunity, same opportunity, but they will avail that opportunity. They will prove themselves according to their own ability, skills, knowledge, intelligence, etc. So they cannot be treated equally. They are treated equally when they are being taught, but when it is the time to prove themselves, it will be different. So what is actually what is the actual meaning of equality? Is to provide equal opportunities and conditions to all. It can be related to getting education, to be on any post, to be in any occupation, but they will be in that field only on the basis of their capabilities, abilities, and when they pass those conditions. Now we see some definitions. Like Lasky wrote about equality: whatever rights inhere in another by virtue his being a citizen must inhere and to the same extent in me also. That means whatever conditions as a citizens are given to other person must be given to me also. If it is so, equality is there. Barker said, whatever conditions are guaranteed to me in the form of rights shall also and in the same measure be guaranteed to others also. And that whatever rights are given to others shall also be given to me. Means whatever rights are enjoyed, exercised by others must be enjoyed by me. I should also be allowed to do so. And whatever rights I am having must be given to others also. It means all should have same rights. Okay. So thus we can say equality is related to equal opportunities. Please remember this. Equality not to treat all in the same way, but to give opportunities to all in the same way, to develop their talent and their personality or self development. It does not mean literal equality where all are equal. Otherwise, what will be there? Talented people, if they are stopped, they would not be able to reach to the higher level. And if special privileges are given, then those people may misuse their power and they will exploit the weaker people in the society. Thank you.